Famous dishes from Middle Eastern cuisine. Arab, Armenian, Assyrian, Azerbaijani, Cypriot, Egyptian, Georgian, Iranian, Iraqi, Israeli, Kurdish, Lebanese, Palestinian, and Turkish cuisines are all considered to be part of Middle Eastern or West Asian cuisines. Popular foods include kebabs, dolmas, falafel, baklava, yogurt, kebab, sesame seeds, dates, sumac, chickpeas, mint, rice, and parsley. Frequent ingredients include olives and olive oil. Number 1. Dolma. Dolma are basically stuffed grape leaves. You can prepare them a large quantity and freeze them. Number 1. Dolma. Dolma are basically stuffed grape leaves. You can prepare them a large quantity and freeze them. All stuffing ingredients are staples of the Mediterranean diet with lamb or beef, rice, herbs, and spices like 7-spice and then cooking the mixture to perfection. Number 2. Falafel. Falafel is a deep-fried ball or patty-shaped fritter composed of ground chickpeas, broad beans, or both in Levantine and Egyptian cuisines. You can top the falafel balls with salads, pickled vegetables, spicy sauce, and sauces made with tahini may be added to the falafel balls as toppings. Falafel balls can also be presented as a meze tray or eaten as a snack. Middle Easterners frequently eat falafel where it is a popular street snack. Number 3. Fstush. A Levantine salad called fatush combines toasted or fried cubs with mixed greens and vegetables including radishes and tomatoes. All Levantine communities like eating fatush. In contrast to tabbouleh, which requires ingredients to be carefully chopped, the veggies are sliced into rather large pieces. The sour flavor of fatush is often imparted by sumac. Number 4. Moutable or baba ganoush. A Levantine appetizer known as baba ganoush is made of finely diced, roasted eggplant, olive oil, lemon juice, various seasonings, and tahini. Number 4. Moutable or baba ganoush. A Levantine appetizer known as baba ganoush is made of finely diced, roasted eggplant, olive oil, lemon juice, various seasonings, and tahini. The Arabic dish moutable is a spicy version of baba ganoush. Mash roasted eggplants with tahini, salt, lemon, garlic, and sometimes yogurt to make moutable. Number 6. Tabbouleh. The Levantine salad tabbouleh is formed of finely chopped parsley and other ingredients including tomatoes, mint, onion, and uncooked bulgur that have been soaked in olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and sweet pepper. In the Eastern Mediterranean and the Arab world, tabbouleh is typically served as a meze dish. Hummus by tahina, also known as chickpeas with tahini, in Arabic is a savory dish made with cooked, mashed chickpeas combined with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Number 8. Manakish. Manakish, or fatayir, is a common Levantine dish made of flatbread topped with thyme, cheese, or ground beef. It can be eaten for breakfast or lunch and is similar to a pizza. The most often consumed variety of manakish is topped with za'atar, a mixture of ground dry thyme, oregano, and marjoram or some combination thereof, along with salt, toasted sesame seeds, and other spices like sumac. It is served as a meze or as a snack with a cup of mint tea and feta cheese on the side. Number 9. Kunafe and baklava. A layered pastry treat consisting of phyllo pastry, filled with chopped nuts, and sweetened with syrup or honey is known as baklava. It is a popular dessert in contemporary Turkish, Iranian, and Arab cuisines as well as those of other Levantine and Maghreb nations. Nafe is a well-known traditional Middle Eastern dessert made with spun pastry known as kataifi, soaked in a sweet, sugar-based syrup. Also include other ingredients like clotted cream, pistachio, or nuts. It is well liked throughout the Middle East. In Turkey, Greece, and the Balkans, there are further variations.